Hey YouTube, it's your favorite Bree and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing eating off-brand foods. So I'm gonna show y'all the things that I got. We got Tutti Frutti. It look like Fruit Loops, but it's called Tutti Frutti. And then we got some Toast 'em pop-ups. Like, what's the original? Pop-Tarts. Yeah, Pop-Tarts. The original is Pop-Tart, but these is Toast 'em pop-ups. I feel like these things taste the same. We can see. We gonna see. And then we got some Southern style chicken bite. Chicken, whatever. Yeah. We're gonna be trying that. And then we're gonna be trying some fast bites. Never heard of it before. Never tried the barbecue chicken sandwich before. I heard of it, but I ain't never tried this one. I tried the other one. I forgot which one it was. And it was alright. And then we got some, what is that? Willy Valaby licorice. I don't know how this tastes. Like, I don't eat licorice, but I guess I'm gonna try it. Is that it? Is that it? Is that it? No. And then we got some Tony's pizza that I gotta warm up. So alright y'all, I'm finna warm this stuff up. Warm the stuff that needs to be warmed up. And then I'm gonna come right back to y'all. Alright y'all, we back with the video. Yeah, I just got done warming up the food. I don't know, what should I start off with? Should I start off with the big or with the small? I don't know. Should I start with the hot or the, I don't know. I guess we're gonna start off with, I don't know. I'm gonna try this. I guess this. I'm gonna be writing them too. I ain't say this in the beginning of the video, but I'm gonna be writing it. I guess I'm gonna be trying this first. This, I forgot what was it? Fast bite? Cause I threw the box away. I forgot. But yeah, I'm gonna be trying this first. This smells decent, but my food is firm. I'm gonna rate that a 2. A 2 out of 10 because this chicken. That chicken don't taste right. I don't know. That chicken don't taste right. I'm gonna rate that a 2 out of 10. 2 for effort. I guess next I'm gonna be trying. I'm gonna try this piece. Try this next time. To go to Tony's pizza. It's like they just grabbed bread and just slapped cheese. I could have did that. I could have made this. But we finna try it. I put this in the oven because we graduated from the microwave. But y'all see the steam? But y'all see the steam though? I hope this is good. Cause the other ones that I tried, the sauce on here tastes fake. That's a 1 out of 10. Don't about it. That's nasty. Next, I'm gonna be trying. See, I'm glad I didn't do this for 24 hours because I knew this was gonna be nasty. But next we're gonna be trying the little the chicken bites. I don't see the smoke. I ain't got no barbecue sauce. I should have put barbecue sauce on her, but I'm gonna just be eating it dry, I guess. My bad. But that was just now. I don't know. They be having this little weird taste to it. All brand foods is not it. No wonder. Give me some damn. This milk, by the way. I'm using this for cereal. But I'm gonna drink some. I guess we're gonna try the Tutti Frutti. I hope this don't let me down because it looked like actual Fruit Loops. I hope it tastes like actual Fruit Loops. I sure won't be doing this again. Did I rate everything? I think I did. Ugh. Somebody keep calling me. I don't know who that is. But I'm gonna try the Tutti Frutti. It tastes stale. It don't taste like Fruit Loops. I'm gonna rate it a 4 out of 10. Cause it's sweet but not too sweet. But a 4 out of 10. I was planning on doing this stuff for 24 hours and actually eating everything, but I'm not. And I am glad I'm not because that stuff's not good. This stuff's not good. It looks like actual Pop-Tarts. I'm gonna try to toast them, pop up. Let's see. Smell like Pop-Tart. That's how it look. Dang, I don't know if I can see it, but that's how it look. It look good. Let me see, break it in half. It look like the real deal, I guess. I don't know if I should like it or hate it. It's the aftertaste. I'm gonna rate that a 5 out of 10. I guess a 5 out of 10. Next, we're gonna be trying Licorice. I know these are already gonna let me down because I don't even like licorice. I don't even. Oh, that just smacked me in the face. Oh, this is strong. I don't even like Twizzlers. Ugh. Look at this. Can't even break them off. Tastes like I'm chewing on tire. Ooh. My bad, but it's enough for me. I'm gonna rate that a 0 out of 10. Who is this? Get off my Snapchat. Yeah, I was planning on doing this for 24 hours, but I'm not. My bad, but I will do something else if y'all want me to do something else. And if y'all want me to do this for 24 hours, I probably would. Don't know. I might, if y'all ask. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on this video, because yeah, this is the end of the video. I have nothing else. Wish I did, but I don't. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and give me some more ideas.